like a J.J. Abrams film.
That's exactly what I'm after. Okay, you ready? Go.
Yep.
Okay, so on this episode of Goosebumps, we're going to be making our signature Caesar salad that we sell at Speedy Romeo. This has been on the menu since day one. It's a staple. Usually hits every table. So let me show you how you can do it at home in a smaller recipe. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna pop it. Ready?
That's good.
And I'm gonna start to mush it up. Okay. Worcestershire. Chili flake. Show this tool.
Yep. On the tool right now, focused on it.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right, and then now I'm gonna whisk this up.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I highly recommend eating this salad with your fingers. Do not cut it up with a knife and fork, so that each little vessel then holds the cheese, holds the dressing, holds the lemon zest, and that's ready for some torpedo action. Wow. Good anchovy flavor. A lot of mustard. Cheese is great. Never loses. Cheers.